Right now, in your kitchen, in your car, in your gym bag, there's a piece of plastic sitting quietly that most people throw away without a second thought. It is small, it is round, it weighs almost nothing. And yet, this tiny object has quietly built fortunes for people who understood something the rest of us never even thought about. I'm talking about the plastic bottle cap. Yes, the cap. The thing you twist off a water bottle and toss into the trash without even looking at it twice. But what if I told you that this small, ignored piece of plastic could actually be the starting point of a business idea so simple, so cheap, and so scalable that people are already using it to build real income right from their homes with almost no investment at all? Stay with me for the next few minutes because by the end of this video, you are going to look at every bottle cap you see in a completely different way. And if you are someone who likes discovering simple ideas that have massive hidden potential, then make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because this channel is built exactly for people like you. People who want to understand how ordinary things quietly turn into extraordinary opportunities. Now, let's slow down for a second and really think about plastic. We use it every single day. Bottles, containers, packaging, caps, all of it moves through our hands and then disappears into a bin. Most of us never think about where it goes after that. But somewhere, in warehouses and small workshops around the world, there are people collecting exactly what we throw away, especially bottle caps, and turning them into something valuable. Not through some complicated chemical process, not through expensive machinery that only big factories can afford, but through a surprisingly simple method that almost anyone can learn, even from their own home. This is the part that makes this story so interesting. It is not about inventing something new. It is about seeing value in something everyone else has already decided is worthless. Think about it this way. A bottle cap is made of a very specific, very durable type of plastic. It is not the same plastic as the bottle itself. In fact, bottle caps are often made from a stronger, more consistent material, which makes them incredibly useful once they are cleaned, sorted, and melted down. And here is where the opportunity begins to take shape. Because when you collect enough of these caps, sort them by color, clean them properly, and melt them down using a very basic process, you can turn them into small blocks, sheets, or molded shapes. And those shapes can become jewelry, keychains, coasters, buttons, small home decor items, or even components used in other small-scale products. This is not some far-off industrial idea. People are already doing this in small home setups using simple tools and turning what looks like garbage into something people are willing to pay for. Now here is where the story becomes even more interesting. This is not just a fun craft project. It sits at the intersection of two things that are becoming more valuable by the day: sustainability and creativity. On one side, you have a growing global awareness about plastic waste, and people, businesses, and even governments are actively looking for ways to reduce plastic pollution. On the other side, you have a rising demand for unique, handmade, eco-conscious products, especially among younger buyers who care about where their products come from. When you combine these two forces together, you get a very specific kind of opportunity. A raw material that is available almost everywhere, often for free, and a growing customer base that actually wants products made from that exact material. That is a rare combination. And it is exactly the kind of setup that quiet, overlooked business ideas are built on. And let's talk about why this idea works so well for regular people, not just big companies. First, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You do not need a factory. You do not need a business degree. You do not need thousands of dollars to get started. In many cases, all you need is a collection point for bottle caps, some basic cleaning supplies, a heat source, and simple molds. Some people start by collecting caps from their own household, their neighbors, local cafes, or community recycling bins. Because most people are more than happy to give away their bottle caps for free, since to them, it is just trash. This means your raw material cost can be close to zero, especially in the early stages. And when your raw material is nearly free, your only real investment becomes your time and your effort, which is something almost anyone can offer, no matter their financial situation. Second, this idea naturally builds its own story, and stories are what sell products today. A product made from recycled bottle caps is not just an object, it is a message. When someone buys a keychain or a coaster made from melted bottle caps, they are not just buying a physical item, they are buying into an idea. The idea that waste can be transformed into something beautiful and useful. This emotional connection is powerful, and it is something mass-produced factory items usually cannot compete with. People are drawn to authenticity, especially in a world that feels increasingly artificial, and a product with a genuine, relatable origin story taps directly into that desire. Third, and this is where things start to feel almost unbelievable, this small idea has the potential to scale. What starts as a home-based hobby, collecting caps and making small items, can slowly grow into something much bigger. As demand increases, the process can be refined, tools can be upgraded, and production can expand. Some individuals who started this exact journey small scale eventually moved into supplying materials to larger designers, artists, or even sustainable product companies. Others built entire personal brands around their recycled plastic creations, selling through online marketplaces, social media, and local markets. The scaling potential exists because the core resource, plastic bottle caps, is essentially unlimited. As long as bottled products exist, this raw material will keep flowing endlessly from every corner of the world. Now, you might be wondering, how does something this simple actually connect to the idea of being worth $1 billion? That question is exactly what we are going to dig into. Because this is not just about one person making coasters from home. This is about an entire hidden industry quietly forming around recycled plastic, an industry that touches sustainability, design, small business, and even global supply chains. And once you understand how these pieces connect, you will start to see why so many people are calling this one of the most overlooked opportunities of our time. So stay with me, because in the next part, we're going to break down exactly how small individual efforts like this are connecting into something much bigger, and why timing right now might make this one of the smartest, simple ideas to actually pay attention to. Let's pick up right where we left off, because to really understand why this idea matters, we need to zoom out for a moment and look at the bigger picture surrounding plastic waste itself. Every single day, millions of plastic bottles are opened around the world, and every single one of them has a cap. Now think about the sheer scale of that. Billions of caps every single day, scattered across households, offices, restaurants, gyms, cars, and public spaces. Most of these caps never even make it into a recycling bin. They end up in landfills, or worse, they end up in rivers, oceans, and natural environments, where they take an extremely long time to break down. This is not a small problem confined to one country or one city. This is a global pattern repeating itself endlessly, everywhere, all the time. And whenever you see a problem that massive and that repetitive, you are usually looking at the early shape of an opportunity that most people have not fully connected yet. This is exactly why the plastic bottle cap idea is not just a cute homecraft. It sits directly on top of one of the biggest material waste streams on the planet. And here is something interesting to think about. Big industries are rarely built by solving small or rare problems. They are built by solving common, repeating problems at scale. Food is a repeating problem, so we have massive food industries. Transportation is a repeating problem, so we have massive transportation industries. Waste is a repeating problem too, and specifically, plastic waste is one of the most talked about, most researched, and most invested in problems of our current time. When you take a raw material that exists in nearly unlimited daily supply, and you pair it with a growing global demand for sustainable alternatives, you create the exact kind of environment where small individual ideas can multiply into something much larger than they first appear. Now, let's bring this back down to a personal level, because this is where the story becomes relatable. Imagine someone who simply starts by saving their own bottle caps at home instead of throwing them away. They collect a few hundred over a couple of months. They watch a few videos, they learn how to clean the caps properly, removing labels, dirt, and residue. They learn how to sort them by color, because color sorting is actually one of the most important steps, since melted plastic keeps whatever colors go into it, and mixed colors create beautiful marbled patterns, while similar colors create clean, solid tones. Then, using a simple heat-safe container or mold and a controlled heat source, they melt the caps down into a solid shape. At this stage, it might just be one coaster, one keychain, or one small decorative piece. It feels small, it feels experimental. But this is exactly how almost every larger idea begins, as a small, curious first attempt that nobody else is paying attention to yet. What happens next is where the story becomes genuinely interesting. That person shows their first creation to a friend or shares a photo online, and people react with surprise, because most people have never even considered that a bottle cap could become something like this. Curiosity spreads quickly, because the idea itself is visually satisfying and emotionally meaningful at the same time. It looks creative, but it also feels responsible, like something good is being done with something that used to be considered garbage. This combination is powerful in today's world, where people are constantly looking for products and stories that feel meaningful, not just functional. From there, a small handful of items can turn into a small shop. A small shop can turn into a growing online presence, and a growing online presence can eventually turn into a legitimate small business, one that started with quite literally nothing but trash and time. Now here is a very important point that often gets overlooked. This idea does not require the person to be an expert in plastics, chemistry, or manufacturing. Most people who start doing this learn through simple trial and error, adjusting heat levels, adjusting mold shapes, and adjusting mixing techniques as they go. This accessibility is what makes the idea so powerful for everyday people. It is not locked behind years of specialized education or expensive certifications. It is open to almost anyone willing to be patient and consistent. And in a world where many people feels like every good business idea has already been taken, this is a refreshing reminder that sometimes the most overlooked ideas are hiding in the things we already touch every single day. We just never stop to look closely enough. Let's also talk about why timing plays such a critical role in this particular story. Governments around the world are increasingly introducing stricter regulations around single-use plastics. Some regions have already banned certain plastic items outright, while others are pushing companies to reduce packaging waste or switch to recyclable materials. At the same time, more and more companies are actively searching for sustainable materials to use in their own products, whether that is packaging, decor, or promotional items. This creates a growing demand for recycled plastic materials. And bottle caps, being a very consistent and durable type of plastic, fit perfectly into that demand. When individual creators or small businesses can supply reliable, sorted, cleaned recycled plastic material or finished products made from it, they are stepping directly into a market that is actively expanding, not shrinking. This is very different from chasing a trend that might fade away in a few months. This is aligning with a long-term global shift that shows no signs of slowing down. There's also something deeply psychological happening here that is worth pointing out. Humans are naturally drawn to transformation stories. We love seeing something ordinary become something extraordinary. A caterpillar becoming a butterfly, a small seed becoming a tall tree, and in this case, a piece of trash becoming a beautiful, usable object. This transformation story is baked directly into the plastic bottle cap idea, and it is part of why it resonates so strongly with people who see it for the first time. It is not just a business idea, it is a small demonstration of a bigger truth, that value is not always obvious at first glance, and sometimes the things we overlook the most are hiding the most potential. As this idea continues to grow in popularity, we are also seeing early signs of community formation around it. People sharing techniques online, exchanging tips about melting temperatures, mold materials, and cap sourcing strategies. Some are even organizing local collection drives, partnering with schools, cafes, or offices to gather bottle caps in bulk, which not only supports their own small production, but also reduces plastic waste in their local communities at the same time. This creates a positive cycle where the business idea and the environmental impact reinforce each other, making the entire concept feel even more sustainable and appealing to a growing audience. So, when you step back and look at everything we have covered so far, the free raw material available almost everywhere, the growing global demand for sustainable products, the low barrier to entry, the emotional and visual appeal of transformation, and the perfect timing created by shifting regulations and awareness, you start to see why this simple idea is being talked about with such big potential. It is not about one person getting rich overnight. It is about a pattern, a repeating opportunity available to almost anyone willing to start small and stay consistent. And in the final part of this video, we are going to bring everything together, look at how this small idea can realistically grow, and talk about what this really means for anyone watching who might be looking for their own overlooked opportunity hiding in plain sight. So let's bring everything together now, because by this point, you have seen the full picture of how something as small and forgettable as a plastic bottle cap can quietly hold the seeds of a real opportunity. We started by looking at the object itself, sitting in your trash can right now, ignored, ordinary, ready to be thrown away without a second thought. We then explored how that same object, once cleaned, sorted, and melted down, can transform into something people are genuinely willing to pay for. Coasters, keychains, jewelry, and small decorative pieces that carry both beauty and meaning. And finally, we zoomed out to see the bigger picture, a growing global wave of environmental awareness, shifting regulations around plastic waste, and a rising demand for products that feel authentic, sustainable, and story-driven. When you put all of these pieces together, you start to understand why this simple idea is not just a fun weekend craft, but a genuine reflection of how big opportunities often hide inside small, overlooked details. What makes this story so powerful is not that it promises instant riches or guarantees a fast path to success. It does not. Like any real idea, it requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to learn through trial and error. But what it does offer is something even more valuable, and that is accessibility. This is an idea that does not require a fancy degree, a large loan, or years of specialized training. It requires curiosity, a bit of effort, and the willingness to see value in something everyone else has already decided is worthless. And that mindset alone, the ability to look at ordinary things differently, is often the real starting point behind every meaningful opportunity in history. Almost nothing that eventually becomes big starts out looking big. It usually starts out looking small, ignored, and easy to dismiss. Exactly like a plastic bottle cap sitting quietly at the bottom of your recycling bin. There is also something important we should reflect on here, and that is the deeper lesson hiding underneath this entire story. So often, we spend our time searching for the next big idea, convinced that opportunity only exists somewhere far away, in some complicated industry we do not fully understand, or in some trend we feel like we have already missed. But this story quietly reminds us that opportunity is often much closer than we think. It is sitting in our kitchens, our recycling bins, our daily habits, waiting patiently for someone to simply pay attention. The person who eventually builds something meaningful from an idea like this is rarely the smartest person in the room. They are usually just the person who paused long enough to notice what everyone else walked past without a second thought. Now, if you are watching this and thinking about your own life, your own surroundings, your own daily habits, I want you to take a moment and ask yourself a simple question. What is something you see every single day? Something so common that you barely even notice it anymore? That might actually be hiding a similar kind of quiet opportunity. Maybe it is not bottle caps for you. Maybe it is something else entirely, something specific to your own environment, your own skills, or your own community. The real value of this story is not just learning about plastic bottle caps, it is learning how to train your mind to notice value where others see nothing at all. That mindset shift alone is worth far more than any single business idea, because once you learn to see opportunity in ordinary things, you start noticing it everywhere. This is exactly the kind of thinking we love exploring here on this channel, taking simple, everyday things and uncovering the surprisingly big stories hiding underneath them. Because economics, business, and opportunity are not always about complicated charts, corporate boardrooms, or billion-dollar headlines. Sometimes, the most fascinating stories are hiding in the most boring, ordinary places, which is exactly why this channel exists in the first place. If this video made you look at something as small as a bottle cap in a completely new way, then I genuinely believe you are exactly the kind of person this channel was built for. So here is what I want you to do right now. If this story sparked even a small spark of curiosity in you, I want you to leave a comment below and tell me what ordinary object around you might be hiding its own hidden potential. It could be something in your kitchen, your garage, your workplace, or even something you throw away every single day without thinking twice. I read through comments regularly, and I would genuinely love to see what ideas this video sparks in your mind, because sometimes someone else's comment ends up inspiring an idea that changes their entire perspective. Do not just scroll past this moment, take 30 seconds, type out your thought, and share it below. And if you found value in this video, if it made you pause, think differently, or see something ordinary in a completely new light, then please take a moment to share this video with someone you know. Send it to a friend who loves creative ideas, share it with someone who is always looking for ways to earn extra income, or post it for anyone who enjoys stories about hidden opportunities. Every single share helps this channel reach more people who are genuinely searching for ideas exactly like this one. And it helps us keep creating content that respects your time and your curiosity. And of course, if you have not already subscribed, now is the perfect moment to do it. This channel is built entirely around uncovering quiet, overlooked ideas just like this one, breaking them down in a simple, clear way that respects your intelligence and your time. New videos are coming soon, each one digging into another hidden opportunity, sitting quietly in plain sight, waiting for someone curious enough to notice it. So take a moment right now, drop your comment below, share this video with someone who needs to see it, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Because the next overlooked idea might be sitting right in front of you too, and next time, it might be you who notices it first. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in the next video.